Hi all, welcome to the tutorials. We're in the View Design screen. In the top toolbar on the left is the Filter button. On touching the Filter button, different design filters are displayed. Let's choose Floral Filter. Let's go to Mixed Designs. I can change the texture or color by touching different areas of the view. I like this design. Let's save it by touching the Save button. Let's see if it's saved in the album. There it is. Touch the Share button to share in social media, Facebook, Twitter, etc., or message it to someone. The rightmost toolbar button is to change the design properties. I can change the background color of the design, the number of rows and columns for tiling, and the image format, PNG versus JPEG. Let's change the design background color from transparent to white. Let me change it back. Change the opacity to 0 for transparent background. The last thing I want to demonstrate is the Tile button. If I toggle the tile switch, the design is tiled into the default configuration of 3x3 matrix of the design. Thank you for watching.